And I'm Anna. And we're your Mondays on Truth Plus Dare.
Alright guys, we don't know what happened to this clip. It just cut off. But this week's truth on Truth Plus Dare is, what is your favorite color? And my favorite color is like a light baby pink.
And my favorite color would be any kind of blue, just like any blues, and yeah. But this week's dare on Truth Plus Dare is to go out in public and do sock puppet show kind of things. So that's what we did.
Roll in the footage.
My name is Anna.
And my name's Olivia.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I have a friend named Olivia.
I have a friend named Anna. Actually, we're best friends. Oh, we should go to Chick-fil-A.
Let's go. Yum, yum, yum. What are you going to get?
I'm gonna get this chicken right here.
That's a pretty big chicken.
Want to share some chicken together?
Let's
Yum, 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 yum.
yum, 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 yum.
Let's put it back.
Let's do that.
Okay. What brings you to the grocery store today?
I need some food though.
Me too.
I love food.
I like bacon. It's right there. Should we get some?
Let's do it.
Okay. I like your eyeballs.
Thanks. I put them on this morning.
You put your eyeballs on?
Yeah.
I don't have a face.
That's alright.
Oh, let's fight. Anna,
Yes.
do you ever whine when you see your face?
Not really. Do
Oh.
you?
No, because I don't have eyeballs.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, so we're at In-N-Out and we are going to order with
Like
our
from the
puppets,
back window.
with our puppets. Today it's the little speaker, but we're still gonna order with there.
Yeah, so we're gonna order it to the speaker right there, like that car's about to do. And then when we pay, we'll do the puppets, and when we get our food, we'll do the puppets. By the way, guys, you can't really see, we're dying of heat because it's 102 degrees. Ah! On the window. Oh my god.
Hello.
Okay, get started, yes.
Can I have a number 2 with just ketchup and pickles only, please?
Okay.
With a Coke.
Alright, will that be all?
And a number 3 with just tomato, pickles, tomatoes and lettuce, please, and another Coke.
Another Coke?
Yeah.
Alright, will that be all?
Yes.
I have a hamburger, pickle, tomato, lettuce only. I have a cheeseburger, ketchup, pickle only. I have 2 fries and 2 Cokes.
That's it.
Alright, is it maybe for the car or do I get it to go?
To go.
Thank you. It's going to be 1311. The first one down.
All right. Thank you. I got out of the car. Sorry about the wind if it's...
guys, we hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to TruthPlusDare to see our videos each week and all of the other amazing videos. Subscribe to our channel and you can find our main channel and vlog channel through there. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hello.
Now your heads are in it.
I know, Mom. Your Mondays on TruthPlusDare. Go look down. Wait, see, we go like this as we're moving, but it's not like we're talking. Yeah, I can't reach. There we go. Oh my god, it sounded like the eye broke off.
Alright. Should I come back in the car now?
You guys really need business cards that you can
We need business cards?
give to people. You can see this on YouTube and have your channel on.